Hello and welcome everyone to our YouTube channel HardReset.Info. I wish you a great day, and now I will show you how to set up a local account in Windows 11. So to start, you should click on this start icon with Windows logo and find the settings application. Usually it is in pinned panel. After clicking on that, you will find here in left panel button accounts with this green man. Clicking on it, and down below you'll find a new button, family and other users. You should click on it even if you don't have a family. And here in the center of display we have this purple button, add account. We want this. You can skip all the steps with adding additional information like I don't have, so you should click I don't have this person sign in information, and you will do the same with Microsoft account. You can add all this information later after creating simple local account. Here you should name it. It will be maybe Microsoft Enjoyer, and you can add your password. I won't do this now. And here you have your new local account, Microsoft Enjoyer. What a beautiful name. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons, and again, have a great day.